Welcome! Today, we're diving into a tropical superfood that's often surrounded by myths, but holds powerful truths: coconut. More than just a beachside symbol, the coconut is a nutrient-rich gift of nature, if used wisely. Composition and active components. Let's look inside the components of a fresh, mature coconut, about 1 cup or 80 to 90 grams of flesh and water combined. Macronutrients, healthy fats, primarily medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs like lauric acid, quickly metabolized for energy. Carbohydrates, low in net carbs, coconut meat contains dietary fiber. Protein, small amounts, about 2 to 3 grams per serving. Micronutrients, manganese, essential for bone health and metabolism. Coconuts are an excellent source. Copper and iron support red blood cell production. Selenium and zinc, important for immunity and antioxidant defense. Potassium and magnesium, present especially in coconut water, support hydration and nerve function. Bioactive compounds, lauric acid, has antimicrobial and antiviral effects, converts to monolaurin in the body. Polyphenols and antioxidants, found in virgin coconut oil and coconut flesh, combat oxidative stress. Supporting functions, heart health, MCTs in coconut oil may help raise HDL, good cholesterol. However, excessive intake of saturated fat may raise LDL as well, so moderation matters. Brain fuel, MCTs provide fast, clean energy to brain cells and are being researched for support in Alzheimer's and other neurodegenerative conditions. Antimicrobial power, lauric acid and its derivative, monolaurin, can help fight bacteria, viruses, and fungi, including Candida albicans. Digestive health, coconut meat is rich in insoluble fiber, aiding in regular bowel movements and feeding gut-friendly bacteria. Hydration and electrolytes. Coconut water contains natural electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, great for post-workout rehydration. Medical benefits may support weight loss. MCTs boost metabolism and satiety more than long-chain fats. May reduce abdominal fat. Some studies suggest coconut oil helps reduce waist circumference in certain individuals. Supports skin and hair. Topically, coconut oil aids in skin hydration, barrier repair, and dandruff control. Blood sugar balance. Coconut flour and flesh have a low glycemic index and high fiber, reducing glucose spikes. Anti-inflammatory effects, especially from virgin coconut oil, thanks to antioxidant-rich polyphenols. Note: use coconut wisely. While coconut is health supportive, it's calorie-dense and high in saturated fat. A little goes a long way. Who should be cautious? Heart patients. High saturated fat intake may not suit individuals with high LDL or genetic lipid disorders. People with nut allergies. Coconut is technically a fruit, but cross-reactivity can occur in some cases. Those with sensitive digestive systems. High-fat coconut products may cause bloating or loose stools if consumed in excess. Infants and toddlers. Coconut chunks or large shreds can be a choking risk. Serve in age-appropriate forms. Possible harms of excessive coconut intake. Elevated cholesterol. Too much saturated fat from coconut oil may raise LDL in some people. Digestive upset. High amounts of MCTs can cause cramping, diarrhea, or nausea. Caloric overload. Coconut milk and oil are calorie-rich and can contribute to weight gain if overused. Allergic reactions. Though rare, coconut allergies can cause rashes, GI symptoms, or anaphylaxis in sensitive individuals. Daily use. Recommendation. Ideal intake: 1 to 2 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil or 1/2 cup of coconut meat daily. Choose wisely. Use unsweetened coconut flakes, raw flesh, or cold-pressed oil. Avoid processed coconut products. Skip hydrogenated coconut oils and sugary coconut snacks. Pair smartly. Add coconut to smoothies, curries, oatmeal, or energy balls for both flavor and function. Coconut is more than just a tropical treat. It's a functional food with real science-backed benefits. Whether you're looking to boost energy, support your gut, or hydrate naturally, coconut has something to offer. Just remember, quality and moderation are key. Don't forget to subscribe for more health-focused deep dives like this. Thanks for watching.